Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to pronounce the Austrian Federal States from Vorarlberg to Vienna. In the last tutorial, we've already covered the capitals and now we focus on the states. So please stay tuned. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn how to pronounce the Austrian Federal States. Additionally, we cover the one or the other special aspects of each state. Let's start with Vorarlberg. Vorarlberg is the most western state in Austria and is also called Ländle. Vorarlberg is coined by the Alps and the Rhine valley. The capital is Bregenz. The next state we take a look at is Tyrol, in German with I instead of Y. The landscape of Tyrol is famous for the Alpine Mountains and the Inn Valley. The capital Innsbruck has been the venue for the Olympic Winter Games twice. Salzburg is the name of a federal state as well as the name of the capital. Salzburg, or in dialect sometimes Salzburg, is so famous because it is Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's birthplace and the home of the renowned Salzburger Mozartkugeln. The one-to-one translation of Salzburg would be Salt Castle. Upper Austria is situated next to Salzburg and is the industrial center of Austria. The capital of Upper Austria is called Linz, which was the European capital of culture in the year 2009. Lower Austria is located next to Upper Austria and is an important region for agriculture and wine. The capital of Lower Austria is St. Pölten and is just between Linz and Vienna. Styria is called Steiermark in German. The capital of Steiermark is called Graz. Steiermark is the state in which the famous actor Arnold Schwarzenegger was born. In general, the Styrian climate is a mixture of alpine and Mediterranean influences. Kärnten is the German word for Carinthia. Kärnten is the most southern state of Austria. The capital of Kärnten is Klagenfurt. All in all, Kärnten is known for its lakes, which are loved by tourists during the summer. Burgenland is the most eastern state of Austria. The one-to-one translation would be Castle Country. The capital of Burgenland is Eisenstadt. Burgenland plays an important role when it comes to fresh vegetables and red wine, and is also called the Sunshine State of Austria. Finally, Vienna is the capital of Austria. In German, Vienna is called Wien, in dialect Wien. Wien is state and capital at the same time. Vienna is known for its rich history, culture and architecture. And of course the special cuisine with Tafelspitz or Sachertorte. I hope you're a bit more familiar with the Austrian Federal States. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.